Thanks for visiting Whimsy Stamps and welcome. It is great to have you here with us. I'm Lisa and today I'm sharing with you what's new in Whimsy Stamps' June 1st release. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn who won the May release giveaway, see some samples, and learn more about the June giveaway. Now we have a lot to share, including a brand new Whimsy product. So let's jump into this. First up is the Many Thanks 5x7 Clear Stamp Set. Separately, you can purchase coordinating dies for this set. The die set includes 3 dies for the set's largest sentiments. Now, along with those 3 large thank you sentiments are 13 smaller sentiments in the set, and these are sized perfectly to be used with Whimsy Stamps' previously released Simple Sentiment Strips die set. Now, I love that bold script font paired with the clean and simple font of the smaller sentiments. Next up, we have the 4x6 Desert Unexpected Wonder Stamp Set. This is another adorable stamp set in the Animal Tiles line by Whimsy Stamps. And this set features cute images of animals and elements that you may find in the desert, along with that large unexpected wonder sentiment. Now, if you haven't checked out Whimsy's Slimline Tiles die set, I recommend it. With the animal tiles or any of the tiles stamp set by Whimsy, this die set will frame those images perfectly for you. You can see there on the left how I used it with that stamp set. As summer is approaching, it's time for camping, and we have several camping themed products in this release. We'll start off with the Gone Camping 4x6 Clear Stamp Set. Now, there's a great sketchy vibe about this set, especially with the trees. And with this set, you can create fun camping scenes not only for summer, but you could use this for Halloween as well. Now, I paired it with Whimsy Stamps' Howling Night die set and created a little sarcasm for some campers I know. Our Summer Fun 4x6 Clear Stamp Set is adorable. It includes 7 adorable images and 2 sentiments. The s'mores, marshmallows, and campfire will look great on tags attached to bags of graham crackers and marshmallow for campfire treats. Father's Day cards and gift tags made from the tent and fishing pole will be so cute. Pair this stamp set with Whimsy Stamps' Enchanted Forest Slimline paper pack to create quick and simple backgrounds for these adorable images. Continuing on with Happy Camper Girl 4x6 stamp set. Outline dies are sold separately for this set, which includes 20 dies. This stamp set is perfect for anyone who has or knows girls in the Scouts. You can use it for birthdays, thank you notes, congrats, or way to go cards. And this stamp set contains lots of little detail stamps that can be used to create badges or used for random stamping to design your own background papers. Whimsy also has a cute set for boys, a Happy Camper Boy. There are also outline dies, which are sold separately and include 16 dies. Now, like the Happy Camper Girl set, this set includes detail stamps. Again, use them on their own or make badges out of them. This set can be mixed and matched with the Happy Camper Girl set. Now, both of these cute stamp sets are going to go great with the new Happy Camper die set. 12 pieces can be cut with these 8 dies. Create a tent with 2 tent stakes, a moon, 3 stars, and the words Happy Camper using this set. A perfect die set to accompany all the fun camping products in this release. Moving into our standalone dies in this release, we have the Flourish Oval Die. Now, you have several options with this die set. You could create a flourish with wreath like you see on the right side. Using the cutout flourishes, you could create a wreath on a card panel like I did on the left side using those negative pieces. Or you can use the flourish die and the outer die to create an oval-shaped panel. It's going to pair perfect with the new Many Thanks stamp set. It's a must-have in my opinion. This brings us to the last die of this release. The Slimline Dragonflies background die can be used for a variety of techniques, just like with that Flourish Oval die set. Now, I have a few videos on the Whimsy Stamps channel showing you how to use this type of die to create some really fun 2-for-1 die cuts and a couple of other techniques with it as well. Now, those techniques will translate to this because, like I mentioned, this is the same type of die if you want to check those out. I was so excited to see that this die was dragonflies. I love dragonflies. And now the die cuts out a panel that measures 3¼ inches by 8¼ inches, and it cuts out over 40 dragonflies. And that's going to bring us to the last product in this release, and I am so excited for this product. New to Whimsy Stamps Toner Card Fronts. And this is the Celebration 1 Slimline pack. These measure 8½ by 3½ inches. You're getting 2 each of 4 designs for a total of 8 toner card fronts. Now the designs are going to be beautiful for summer holidays, and with this type of foiling, you're going to need a toner reactive foil like Deco Foil. Be sure you check those toner cards out because I have a feeling they're going to go quick. And that's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details. And drum roll, please, the winner from the May release comments is Ariana Barbara. Congratulations, Ariana. Be sure you check out the details in that description box below so you can email us to claim your prize. And thank you for watching and commenting. We truly appreciate the time you spend with us. Now, moving on to the details for this month, Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. To be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Now, each month a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. So be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I do have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Now let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below. If you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. YouTube seems to really like those things. Now you can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps Online Shop and pick out all your favorite items. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.